is the last to load away. Set to run, racing in the second. So getting away slowly at the boom. Mezzatinto found his usual forward roll. Mahiba, the filly's going to work across along with not too far away, settling down into 5th position. From Now Ladies deeper out. Homes from Daha's Classic City, Clear Image. 3 lengths back to Al Sahab and the Lunda with 700 metres left to go, and Mahiba pours it on out wide. Goes up to the outsiders. Third was Top Tune. He's racing in isolation in 3rd position from Silly. Home from Home. Dahas. Clear Image heads the rest, and that's your race as they make their way into the Tinto. Gets a break on Mahiba here though. Mezzatinto looking for that elusive first win here, but getting further away from them. Could it be start number 22 for Mezzatinto to break lengths clear of Top Tune. Sikorsky running into the minor placings. Mahiba drops away late. Mezza in the second, and a well-deserved maiden win. 4.5 on the line. Sikorsky just was next from Al Sahab. Then came Home from Home. A gap back to Sadak. Now Ladies, Beijing Billy and Shamzan, the Borsley pair, second last and last.